back to another video. We're gonna smash our egg. Here's the egg. We have to put this egg to a glass of water. So let's go. Okay guys, we're back, and so now let's fill it up in this glass. We have to be careful. Okay, we're putting it. So I'm being careful. Let's go. Okay, that's enough guys. So let's put the egg inside. Are you ready guys? I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Guys, now done this. Whoa. Whoa. Okay guys, well goodbye. See you in 2 days guys. Well goodbye. What's up guys, to another video. Today the egg is being hatched. Look at this guys. We have to, I think we can take this thing off now so we can see who is this. Okay guys, the egg been hatched. Now let's put my hand inside. Let's open it. Oh my god guys. Oh, that's totally stuck. It looks like slime. Wash it. Guys, that's totally. Oh, more, yeah. Let's go, guys. This thing is done. Oh, guys. Okay, guys. The egg just very hatched. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. The water is feeling good. Bye, guys. Thanks for engaging in the video. Comment down now if you want to see more from the buy eggs, and wait until I can open it and we can see who is going to be another this animal. And goodbye guys. See you tomorrow. Like and subscribe, and don't forget, be healthy.